So we have done till carbon. Carbon can convert into 4 plus, carbon can convert into 4 minus, because carbon can lose 4 electron. Electronic configuration will equivalent to helium, and carbon can get 4 electron, then electronic configuration will like neon. So this carbon 4 plus having this carbon having 6 electron, then carbon 4 plus having 2 electron. This carbon having 6 electron and carbon 4 minus having 10 electron. Because carbon is getting 4 electron, then it is left side of the arrow, and if electron is lost by an element, then electron will be shown right side of the arrow. This is the method. Now we are going to discuss about the nitrogen. Now it is very easy for you. Nitrogen will convert into helium or into neon. Let's discuss. Nitrogen. How many electron nitrogen having? Nitrogen have 7 electron. So which electronic configuration will easy for nitrogen? So nitrogen having 7 electron and wants to convert into neon, nitrogen should get 3 electron. Should get 3 electron, and if wants to convert into helium, should lose 5 electron. So getting 3 electron is easy than losing 5 electron. It means it proves that nitrogen will get 3 electron. So electron of nitrogen neutral element having 7 electron, nitrogen is getting 3 electron, and nitrogen will become 3 minus. So this nitrogen having 7 electron and this nitrogen 3 minus having 10 electron. Kindly calculate. So nitrogen will always gain 3 electron. Nitrogen will never lose 5 electron. Sometimes, like hydrogen, hydrogen can NaH, Na is plus, H is minus, H2O, O is minus, then H must become plus. So sometime it is happened, but generally nitrogen will have always convert into minus ion. Now oxygen's turn is coming. Let's discuss about the oxygen. Oxygen have 8 electron. This oxygen having 8 electron. If want to convert into helium, should lose 6 electron. And if want to convert into neon, should get 2 electron, which is very convenient for the oxygen. It is very easy to get 2 electron, then lost 6 electron. So oxygen will get 2 electron. So oxygen O will get 2 electron, then oxygen will convert into O2 minus. This oxygen having 8 electron and this oxygen having 10 electron. Oxygen 2 minus means 2 electron is more than the element, then oxygen 2 minus having 10 electron, and oxygen neutral element having only 8 electron. Very easy. Now fluorine turn. Let's discuss fluorine. Then fluorine having 9 electron. If want to convert into helium, should lose 7 electron. If want to convert into neon, should get 1 electron. Very easy to get 1 electron. So fluorine will get 1 electron. Fluorine will get 1 electron, will convert into fluoride ion. So this fluorine having 9 electron and this fluoride ion having 10 electron. So why F is minus 1? Because to convert into electronic configuration like noble gas neon, fluorine should get one electron. When any element convert into positive or negative, then it is to be said ion. Suppose I am writing sodium, this is sodium neutral, and I am writing sodium plus, this is sodium and this is sodium ion. This is sodium and this is sodium ion. This is fluorine and this is fluoride ion. Both pronunciations are different. Fluorine means it is neutral element and fluoride ion is either it is positive or it is negative. Sodium is positive, then sodium ion is to be said. Fluorine is negative, then fluoride ion. Ion means either it is positive or it is negative. Neutral element having same name, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Suppose this is chlorine and Cl minus is chloride ion. This is magnesium and magnesium 2 plus is magnesium ion. This is oxygen. Oxygen 2 minus is oxygen ion. What is the difference between ion and an element? An element is the neutral and ion may be plus or may be positive or may be negative. So when you are saying any charge plus or minus, you must say it is ion. And when you are not seeing any charge on any element, it is neutral element. Very most important. Now we are having the example of some molecule formula. After understanding all this topic, suppose I am giving example of H2O, NH3. So in H2O, oxygen will convert into 2 minus because oxygen should get 2 electron to convert into helium, and oxygen is 2 minus, then 1 hydrogen is 1 plus, so 2 hydrogen will become 2 plus. So total charge 2 plus and 2 minus, total charge is neutral. So H2O is neutral compound. Any compound is neutral if opposite charge will equal. Suppose we are having nitrogen, we have understood that nitrogen having 7 electron can convert into neon 2 after getting 3 electrons. So nitrogen will always 3 minus, 1 hydrogen is 1 plus, there are 3 hydrogen, so it is 3 into plus 1 means it is 3 plus and 3 minus, so NH3 is the neutral element, neutral compound. So now you just imagine some molecule formula and why it is neutral. You show the charge on different element. The example tarike, suppose we are taking H2S, then HS means what? Sulfur, and nearest electronic configuration of sulfur in noble gas is what? Argon. Sulfur having atom number 16 and argon having atom number 18. So sulfur will convert into argon. So sulfur will get 2 electron. So sulfur will become 2 minus, 1 hydrogen is 1 plus, 2 hydrogen is 2 plus, 2 into plus 1 means 2 plus and 2 minus, so H2S is neutral. So now you can now calculate why the compound is neutral, because different element is attached to form the compound and charge of element will be opposite and equal. This is very most important to be understood. So we have discussed today why elements are becoming plus or why elements are becoming minus after getting electron or after losing electron. It is very important to understand how to compound is formed, and we have taken some example why compound is neutral, because the element having the different positive and negative charge and it is opposite and equal. So very interesting chemistry, you can easily understand. Watch my video twice thrice do homework 2 times and send me your homework by 7 p.m. today. The students who are sending me homework, I am giving tick mark and correction to him. So kindly follow my instruction and please be attached with chemistry lecture. Thank you very much.